初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I am looking for a bookstore.
I am looking for a bookstore.
我在找书店。
I am looking for a bookstore.
I am looking for a bookstore.
Do you sell English books?
Do you sell English books?
你们卖英文书吗？
Do you sell English books?
Do you sell English books?
Where is the children's section?
Where is the children's section?
儿童区在哪里？
Where is the children's section?
Where is the children's section?
Can you show me the best sellers?
Can you show me the best sellers?
能给我看看畅销书吗？
Can you show me the best sellers?
Can you show me the best sellers?
Do you have travel guides?
Do you have travel guides?
你们有旅游指南吗？
Do you have travel guides?
Do you have travel guides?
I want a dictionary.
I want a dictionary.
我想要一本字典。
I want a dictionary.
I want a dictionary.
Where are the magazines?
Where are the magazines?
杂志在哪里？
Where are the magazines?
Where are the magazines?
Do you sell comic books?
Do you sell comic books?
你们卖漫画书吗？
Do you sell comic books?
Do you sell comic books?
I am looking for a novel.
I am looking for a novel.
我在找小说。
I am looking for a novel.
I am looking for a novel.
Do you have this book in stock?
Do you have this book in stock?
这本书有现货吗？
Do you have this book in stock?
Do you have this book in stock?
Can I order this book?
Can I order this book?
我可以订这本书吗？
Can I order this book?
Can I order this book?
How long will it take to arrive?
How long will it take to arrive?
多久能到货？
How long will it take to arrive?
How long will it take to arrive?
Do you have any used books?
Do you have any used books?
你们有二手书吗？
Do you have any used books?
Do you have any used books?
Where is the history section?
Where is the history section?
历史区在哪里？
Where is the history section?
Where is the history section?
I need a book about cooking.
I need a book about cooking.
我需要一本烹饪书。
I need a book about cooking.
I need a book about cooking.
Do you sell language learning books?
Do you sell language learning books?
你们卖语言学习书吗？
Do you sell language learning books?
Do you sell language learning books?
I am looking for poetry books.
I am looking for poetry books.
我在找诗歌书。
I am looking for poetry books.
I am looking for poetry books.
Do you have science books?
Do you have science books?
你们有科学书吗？
Do you have science books?
Do you have science books?
Where is the self-help section?
Where is the self-help section?
自助区在哪里？
Where is the self-help section?
Where is the self-help section?
Do you sell biographies?
Do you sell biographies?
你们卖传记吗？
Do you sell biographies?
Do you sell biographies?
Can I sit and read here?
Can I sit and read here?
我可以坐在这里看书吗？
Can I sit and read here?
Can I sit and read here?
Do you have a reading area?
Do you have a reading area?
你们有阅读区吗？
Do you have a reading area?
Do you have a reading area?
Is this book available in paperback?
Is this book available in paperback?
这本书有平装版吗？
Is this book available in paperback?
Is this book available in paperback?
Do you sell hardcovers?
Do you sell hardcovers?
你们卖精装书吗？
Do you sell hardcovers?
Do you sell hardcovers?
How much is this book?
How much is this book?
这本书多少钱？
How much is this book?
How much is this book?
Is there a discount today?
Is there a discount today?
今天有折扣吗？
Is there a discount today?
Is there a discount today?
Do you have student discounts?
Do you have student discounts?
你们有学生折扣吗？
Do you have student discounts?
Do you have student discounts?
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
我可以刷卡吗？
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Can I return this book?
Can I return this book?
我可以退这本书吗？
Can I return this book?
Can I return this book?
Do you have gift wrapping?
Do you have gift wrapping?
你们有礼品包装吗？
Do you have gift wrapping?
Do you have gift wrapping?
I need a notebook.
I need a notebook.
我需要一个笔记本。
I need a notebook.
I need a notebook.
Do you sell pens and pencils?
Do you sell pens and pencils?
你们卖钢笔和铅笔吗？
Do you sell pens and pencils?
Do you sell pens and pencils?
Do you have bookmarks?
Do you have bookmarks?
你们有书签吗？
Do you have bookmarks?
Do you have bookmarks?
Where is the cashier?
Where is the cashier?
收银台在哪里？
Where is the cashier?
Where is the cashier?
Can I get a receipt?
Can I get a receipt?
我可以要一张收据吗？
Can I get a receipt?
Can I get a receipt?
Do you sell e-book cards?
Do you sell e-book cards?
你们卖电子书卡吗？
Do you sell e-book cards?
Do you sell e-book cards?
Can I join your membership?
Can I join your membership?
我可以加入会员吗？
Can I join your membership?
Can I join your membership?
Do you have a loyalty program?
Do you have a loyalty program?
你们有忠诚度计划吗？
Do you have a loyalty program?
Do you have a loyalty program?
I would like a gift card.
I would like a gift card.
我想要一张礼品卡。
I would like a gift card.
I would like a gift card.
Thank you. I love this bookstore.
Thank you. I love this bookstore.
谢谢，我喜欢这家书店。
Thank you. I love this bookstore.
Thank you. I love this bookstore.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。